Hi guys, it's Cap and it's Cap in Next Drive coping segment. Anyway, for today, mm, our coping mechanism for today is drum roll outdoor um, outdoor activities. So why outdoor activities? Ako, from my personal experience, I noticed that that outdoor activities help me a lot in terms of number one, yung physical aspect, diba? I was able to exercise and kasi pagka outdoor activities ang banat mo, yung exercise doesn't really feel like exercise because it's not as repetitive as what you usually do. Well, walking ka lang, ganyan, diba? Enjoying the outdoors and trying to commune with nature, diba? Which is also good for addiction because, you know, dito papasok ang ito nabasa ko to and it is very true when it comes to drug addiction, which is cognitive rewiring. When you are actively doing your addiction kasi everything that is conducive to your addiction is a trigger, diba? especially spaces, diba? Nakakagiyang ako. In my case, pag nakakita ko ng enclosed spaces na magaganda na kumpleto, like like a magandang banyo, magandang office, o ganung klaseng bagay, diba? And by doing cognitive rewiring, you are able to, like what I said, rewiring. Like when you do cognitive rewiring, nababago mo yung routine mo, di ba? And pag nababago mo yung routine mo, nawawala yung trip. Natatanggal sa sa sistema mo yung mga triggers na yun, di ba? It's always good. Another thing is with doing other activities, it's like doing yoga. You commune with nature, and it takes you out from that very toxic environment of drug addiction, diba? Also, when you do such things, eventually may nabubuo ng mga social groups, diba? Sasali ka na sa mga group na nagka-camping, which are totally different people from the people that you used to do drugs with, diba? So yun, so right now, yun pa lang muna naisip ko with regards to outdoor activities, but there are a lot of reasons why you should do outdoor activities. Google it and you'll see more reasons why. Okay, so again, it's Cap, and always be Christ-centered, and kids, stay away from drugs because it's not going to do you any good. Alright, love you guys.